Well, show me what you were doing though.
Oh, I'm pumping the...
Yeah, you're pumping the gas, all right.
Hi, today we're talking about charging your Tesla at home. As you know, we have two different plugs, 120 watt and 240 watt. 240 recommended. At 120 you can get about 7 kilometers an hour, and for 240 it's about 50 kilometers an hour. In the garage we have 120, which is easy plug and you're good to go. And this is, like I mentioned, it's 7 kilometers per hour, so you can leave it through the day, through the night. It depends how fast do you need to get charged, and you don't have to touch anything, and that's it. Good for current situation because we're sitting at home, we don't have to go out, and it can stay. The slow charges sometimes it's good for your battery, so you can leave it for the day or two. And as Tesla recommend, happy Tesla, it's plugged in Tesla. And now we're gonna show you how we usually charge our Tesla at home. So basically, some people think it's take a lot of money to install the charger at home. So we just install 240 plug next to the breaker, and that's it. We just plug every night through this window. So we plug it in, and just to make sure the wire secure, and I just make wire secure so nobody can flip on it. So this one about 50 kilometers per hour, like I mentioned, and that's it. This is how we charge at home on daily basis at night, because you don't really need to go to Supercharger. The whole idea for comfortable charge at home. If you really need, you can go to Supercharger, and Mark will show you how. I did my part. Stay safe, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
All right, and let's say you do find yourself that you need to get to a supercharger because you can't charge at home, or you are going out and you must hit a supercharger. So here's some recommendations. All right, so you might think it's a little extreme, but I have a cleaner with bleach. They're hard to come by now these days. I don't have much left, but also a good ratio of bleach and water will work. A cloth that eventually you are just gonna basically get rid of, so make sure that you don't mind. It's not an expensive cloth, it's just a cheap one from Amazon or wherever. Because it is bleach and everything else, I do recommend doing the double gloves. And again, guys, I know this is extreme, but we're in extreme times right now. So I put those on, then I put my main gloves on top because the bleach can go through, you never know. And this is a great tip, came from my buddy Massimo, or Moss's Garage. He comes with many different names. Great guy, and if you're in the GTA, you definitely gotta hook up with him. He does tire rotations, swapping out summer tires, so that's a shameless plug for him. But basically, you take your cloth, spray it on the cloth, and then wipe down. You can grab it from the bottom of the neck and then just wipe down the handles. Because as you may or may not know, this is obviously the main part that we touch. So just like Massimo said, there's no point in boring you as I go and clean all of them, but there is, I believe here, 10, so there's 20 stalls on here. So I'm gonna go do them all. And again, what you just saw is the best way practice to do it. Charge at home. You don't have to worry about any of this. That's why we don't have to worry about gas stations. Another plus why EVs are great, Tesla or anything else, because again, you just plug it at home. When it comes to times like this, that's the best way to do it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, super quick, trying to make them short and just some quick tidbits while we're all stuck at home. Reason why I am out, just so you know. And if you are asking, is I had to bring my mother-in-law some food. She's 74 years old. We meet her down at the building. It's sad. I mean, Margarita can't even go and like hug her and kiss her and everything. But again, this is what we're living in right now. So stay safe. Love you all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.